Namaskar. The aesthetic importance of parietal eminence, an important island of scalp requiring the coverage. No conflict of interest. The role of hair is the framing of the face and to maintain the contour of the skull. His face looks balanced. Reason is entry hairline is well placed as well as the contour, bilateral contour is symmetrical here. So, the framing of face and contour of skull both are equally important contributing factor in maintaining the aesthetics of the face. His face, looks something is deficient, doesn't look so balanced. The reason being, if we see the contour is not symmetrical. One side it is round, another side there is a steep slope. So if we do the mirror imaging, we can find from left and right side contour there is a deficiency on the left side of contour of the skull or the face. This is probably, or this is the cause of the compromised aesthetics of the face, though the hairline seems to be okay. When we look in the lateral profile, we notice that there is a gross deficiency or loss of volume in the parietal eminence as well as in the part line. If we look at the skull in the front profile and oblique and even also in the lateral profile, we can see the parietal eminence is one of the most important area which comes in notice when you are seeing from the front side and from the oblique side. So any change in the parietal area is going to affect the contour. His face, we can see his loss of hair in the front region. Restoration done, looks good because the hairline is placed normally, means it is restored perfectly, as well as the contour is also maintained because there was no loss. So his face looks balanced. But another case, if we see here, he has got loss of hair in front, middle and the vertex area. Restoration was done in the front and the middle, leaving aside the vertex and the parietal eminence, which we usually do. So what is the deficiency is that the contour is not maintained and it's looked like a straight line. Again the hair restoration was done to maintain the contour, coverage of the parietal eminence and some in the vertex area, thereby now the contour is restored. So his face looks more balanced now. So this was the difference. So the parietal eminence is one of the prominent area of the scalp in the front view. So any loss of hair volume is going to affect the contour of skull in front profile of face, which will compromise the aesthetic. When parietal eminence and the part line shows thinning, this grossly affects the aesthetic. So when we are covering the mid scalp, the parietal eminence should be included into that. This same patient, coverage was done. It's a very early result, just 4 months. He's better than before and I hope it will further improve. This is one case which I have shown. There is a deficiency here. Let's understand what went wrong in this case or how we could have modified this. We can see deficiency and the loss of contour. So if we see the picture from vertex and parietal eminence, there is a loss of hair, gross thinning is there. When we do the shaving, we can see clear-cutly the alopecia patch in the parietal eminence area, although vertex is also the alopecia. So these are the important parietal eminence area which are showing alopecia or thinned out. So what we could have done in this case, we could have reduced the mid scalp or the vertex in the midline area and we could have increased the area in the lateral side, means the parietal eminence area, if we have the limited grafts available to implant. So reduce in the midline, increase in the lateral side to cover the parietal eminence and now you can modify the design. Now this is covering the parietal eminence with the same number of the graft and the design looks like this. You can modify your design this way also. it becomes more or less heart-shaped. And this was done in this case. We have extended the coverage on the to the parietal eminence area and reduced coverage in the midline of the scalp in vertex and the mid scalp area, and the design becomes like this. So then we did first case, then we restored by covering the parietal eminence and some part of the vertex, so contour is maintained. This is another case in which the front profile was covered using the graph by FUT, then mid scalp and vertex, some part of the vertex with mainly the parietal eminence were covered, and now you see in the front profile as well in the lateral profile, his contour is maintained, his aesthetic is maintained, part like looks full. So grossly it improves the aesthetics of the face there. This is another case. Thinning is there, maintained. Now looks, there is a gross difference in the fullness as well as the contour just by covering the parietal eminence more than the vertex. It's another case, thinning in vertex and parietal eminence both are there, but we covered more of the parietal eminence, less in the central vertex area. Contour is maintained. You can see the thinning in the vertex, which you can only notice when you look from the back side, but when you look from the front side and lateral side, it will look covered. So like this, same is maintained. So the take home message is parietal eminence is important aesthetic area of the face. The thinning and or the loss of hair in parietal eminence grossly affect the lateral profile of face and contour of skull in front profile and the lateral profile. By covering the parietal eminence, contour of skull in front and the lateral profile is restored, and it's a graft economical way of covering the vertex. Thank you.